As an analyst for WasteNot Recycling, I have been asked and requested to put together a table that will provide the details of the customer and their pickup and our top collections as far as waste paper and waste other. I first established a table based upon the customer data, which contains the customer ID, their last name, first name, street, city, state, zip code, and phone number, and their first pickup. In the second table is also contained the customer ID, their service date, the weight of the paper, and weight other, based upon the service date for pickup. We will use Access to link together these two tables. These two tables were imported into Access using the Excel import located under the External Data tab. This data was then linked together by creating a relationship between the customer ID as to link the information together to establish the relationship. As you can see here, the relationship is established between the customer ID from the customer record table and the customer table. Then, to establish the report, we used, underneath the Create tool, we used the Report Wizard. With this report, we can see the customer name and number, and also their first pickup. We can see the total weight of the collections for each customer based upon their ID number. The records change based upon customer number. And if we scroll to the bottom of our data, we can see in total what was collected as far as paper and other. Using a report wizard makes it easier to compose your data and to create the design, and you can manipulate it a little better. It's just a little easier format to use. Based upon the data that we collected, it has been determined that our greatest and largest collection point is waste other. It is my suggestion that we create a special promotion to increase our paper collection as to increase our sales. I feel that this is the way we can potentially maximize our profits and increase business for our company.